Right, to award a certificate for our Board of Judges, let me read the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Camarines Sur, Municipality of Ragay, Barangay Amumukpok, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to in grateful recognition of your invaluable service and wholehearted participation as a member of judges during the Barako Magayon 2025 held at Barangay Amumukpok, Ragay, Camarines Sur on August 7, 2025. Your expertise, fairness, and dedication significantly contributed to the success of the event and the promotion of local talent and community spirit. Given this 7th day of August 2025 at Barangay Amumukpok, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Signed by our Barangay Captain, George Lito Alforte and SK Chairman Gilbert Martinez. Martires. Alright, Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to Ms. Sheila May Dalma Marinas.
Yes, palakpakan naman po natin si Ms. Sheila, one of our Board of Judges.
I play the street light because there's no place I can go. Street light, it's the only life I know. Street light, and there's 1,000 parts to play. Street light, until you play your life away. You let some people see just who you wanna be, and every night you shine just like a superstar. The time of night display.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sheila Dalma Marinas. And now, another certificate of appreciation with the same citation is awarded to
It's awarded to Miss Jade Moratalia.
Thank you so much, Miss Jade Moratalia. Another certificate of appreciation with the same citation is awarded to Mr. Nevin Aldave Sarit.
I play the street light.
Thank you, Sir Nevin.
Okay, another certificate is awarded to Miss Christine Rambuyo, our Chairman of the Board of Judges.
I play the street light because there's no place I can go. Street light, it's the only life I know. Street light, and there's 1,000 parts.
Thank you so much, Miss Christine. Another certificate of appreciation with the same citation is awarded to Engineer Mon Ares Joseph Pandua Adami. Thank you so much. And also, certificate of appreciation is awarded to Mrs. Rowena G. Nailo, our official tabulator for tonight. Nakasalukuyang nagtatabulate.
Miss Rowena Nailo.
I play the street light because there's no place I can go.
Thank you po, ma'am. And also, a certificate of appreciation with the same citation is hereby awarded to Mrs. Abijoy Lawis Pilar as the Master of Ceremonies during the Barangay Magayon 2025.
Another certificate is awarded to Mr. Joshua Castilla. Thank you po.
Thank you so much. So that concludes the awarding of certificates to our Board of Judges. And now, before we proceed to the most anticipated announcement of winners, let us continue our raffle promise. Okay, SK Mary Rose, may we have again here the box containing all the tickets.
Mahiwagang.
Alright, so first partner, unahin na natin yung ating consolation prize, the 5 kilos rice.
Yes.
So, bunot na partner tayo ng dalawa.
Dalawa. Sige po. Tingnan natin ng ating mga ticket. Lucky number. Oy. From Zone 3, Amumukpok. Lucky number 7, 8, 5, Mary Jane Ruiz. From Zone 3. Andyan po ba si Ate Jane? Yung ticket niya. Ayun. Congratulations.
Congratulations po, another one partner.
Yes. Last for the consolation prizes.
Yes, yung ating pong consolation prizes ay galing sa Barangay Official and SK Council. Thank you so much.
Okay. Last lucky winner for the consolation prize. Lucky number 7 from Barangay Panaytayan. 7, 2, 3. Boy Matias. Lucky number 7, 2, 3. Mr. Boy Matias.
Okay, may we have the last winner of our consolation prize, Mr. Poy Matias.
Nandyan pa po ba si Sir Boy?
Anyone who can claim po?
Nagulit. Okay.
Okay.
So, sayang. So, bubunot po tayo.
Bubunot pa tayo ulit? Or,
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Ibibigay na
Yes.
lang daw po sa atin.
and now we will proceed partner to the most exciting part of the raffle, the grand prizes. So bago po tayo bumunot ng grand prizes, banggitin ko muna yung ating sponsors for tonight. For the third prize, we have the electric fan from Captain Jorgelito Alforte and Barangay Council. The second prize, rice cooker from Barangay Council and SK. And our grand prize, 1 sack of rice from Melanie Ayala, Lau Hardware.
Ayan, partner, may we call on?
Our barangay captain to please pa-assist po, magbunot agad dito ka para sa ating grand prizes for the raffle. Or barangay kagawad po. Ito na pala. Alright, so we will now pick first the third prize. Electric fan from Captain Jorgelito Alforte and Barangay Council. Sino kaya ang maswerteng uwi ng electric fan? Ikaw ang maswerteng mag-uwi ng electric fan control number 209. From malayong lugar dito sa Amumokpok. Hindi naman masyadong malayo, partner. From Barangay Liboro, we have Albert Marcelo.
Mr.
Ayan, nakita ko na agad. Congratulations, Albert Marcelo, the grand winner of our third prize raffle promo. From Barangay Captain Virgilito Alforte. May we request po yung SK officials na mag-picture po. Congratulations! And now for the second prize, the rice cooker from Barangay Council and SK.
Sino
Ayan.
kaya ang maswerte? Yan, hinalo-halo. Okay, from Barangay Panaytayan. Ticket number 351, Miss Daisy T. Makawili. Ayan. Nandyan po ba si Miss Daisy? Ticket number 351.
Andyan pa po ba? Okay. Since hindi ata present partner, bibigay na lang natin. So we will now proceed to the grand prize. One sack of rice from Lao Hardware. Okay, DJ Music. Ikaw ang maswerte mag-uwi ng isang sakong bigas. Control number.
Ticket number 303. Jesslyn from Zone 1. Si Miss Jesslyn Baino.
Alright. So may we request the presence of any representative from Now Hardware to award the grand prize?
Ayan yung mga wala po na nabunot. Can you please claim your prize? Kisek, sa aga na lang po.
Ayan? Okay. Ayan, paldo na daw si Miko. Congratulations po.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
So ayan, dyan nagtatapos ang ating raffle round. Congratulations to all the winners of our consolation and grand prizes tonight. And now, wag na nating patagalin to partner. Tawagin na natin ang ating top 5 finalists. Once again, calling all the attention of our top 5 finalists for the announcement of winners.
Ayan, yung top 5 po natin. Please come up on stage.
Double time po for our top 5. All right, partner.
Yes. So before, the moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived.
After a night filled with beauty, talent, and heart, it's time to reveal the Barako who truly shine the brightest. With pride, grace, and excitement, we now proceed to the announcement of winners of Barakong Magayon 2025.
So all our candidates, you are all queens in your own right. But tonight, only one will take home the crown.
Okay, candidates, center stage. And partner, please join me here. So we will now first announce the second runner-up. The second runner-up will receive a sash 1,500 pesos of cash to be awarded by Mr. Randy and Mrs. Brenda P. Billings, and also the SK official. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up is second runner-up is Barako number 10.
Congratulations! May we call on Mr. Randy and Mrs. Brenda Billings, our SK official, to award the sash and cash. Okay, may we call on Barangay Kagawad Ruel Dalma to award the cash.
Our second runner-up will receive a bouquet, a sash, and a cash. Congratulations, candidate number 10.
Yes, our second runner-up.
And also a plaque. Ang ganda naman ng plaque. Parang gusto kong iuwi. Char. Congratulations, candidate number 10.
Our first runner-up. Sino kaya? Will receive a sash and cash. 2,000 pesos of cash. So our first runner-up is Barako number 8. May we call on Lola Carol Hernandez to award the sash, cash.
Congratulations, candidate number 8. Masaya ka ba? Congrats.
I play the street light because there's no place I can go. Street light, it's the only life I know. Street light, and there's 1,000 miles to run. Street light, until you play your life away. You let some people say just who you wanna be, and every night you suffer. Just like a song.
Okay, congratulations, first runner-up. So now, let's proceed to Miss Barakong Kalikasan 2025.
She will receive a special treat from Don Burimil worth of 500 pesos. An exclusive item from Pilio Ragayano, a bouquet, sash, crown, and 3,000 cash from SK official. You are Miss Barakong Kalikasan 2025, Barako. Barako number 6.
Let's to award the sash. And bouquet, crown, may we call on Engineer Adami and Ma'am Christine. She will receive 3,000 cash.
sobrang generous naman ng ating mga sponsors. May mga ganitong treats. Ayan, congratulations, candidate number 6. Once again, our Barakong Kalikasan 2025. Okay, and also our Barako ng Kalikasan 2025 will receive a crown. Congratulations. Baka, congratulations.
Thank you. Now,
And now partner, ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. Sino kaya ang hihiranging Barakong Magayon 2025? Candidate number 9 and candidate number 4, please take center stage. Okay. We will announce first and call the number of Barako who is the Barakong Magayon 2025. And the number that will be not called is automatically our Barakong Turismo 2025. Our Barakong Magayon 2025 will receive a special treat from Don Burry Meal worth of 500 pesos, an exclusive item from Pilio Ragayano, sash, bouquet, crown, and 6,000 pesos of cash from Punong Barangay Jorgelito B. Alforte and Mrs. Catherine Ruga Orolfo.
so for Miss Barakong Turismo 2025 will receive the following: a special treat from Don Buri Meal worth 500 pesos, an exclusive item from Pilio Ragayano, bouquet, sash, crown, and 4,000 cash.
Alright, so this is it. Barangay Amumokpok, who is your Barakong Magayon 2025?
Who's your bet? Candidate number 4 or candidate number 9?
Our Barakos really paved their way to be in this last moment. But only one will remain momentous. And you are Barakong Magayon 2025.
Yes.
It's you, Barako. Barako number 4. And our Barakong Turismo 2025 is Barako number 9. Congratulations. So we will award first the Barakong Turismo 2025. May we have Miss Jade Moratalia and Mr. Nevin Sari. And to award the prizes for our Barakong Magayon 2025, may we have Miss Sheila Dalma Marinas, our Punong Barangay, and also our SK officials.
And Kagawad. And okay, and Miss Catherine Ruga Orolfo.
Once again, to award Miss Barakong Magayon 2025, Punong Barangay Jorgelito Alforte, Mrs. Catherine Ruga Orolfo, and also Miss Sheila Dalma
Marinas.
Marinas. And with that, our unforgettable night comes to a close.
On behalf of the organizers, sponsors, and the entire team behind Barakong Magayon 2025, thank you for being with us tonight.
This is your host, Joshua Castilla,
And this is Miss Abijay Lawis Pilar.
saying stay proud and remember true beauty begins with being true to yourself. Good night! Once again, our Barako Magayon 2025. Take your first walk. Barako number 4, Adrian.
Adrian Marsal
Marsal.
from
Congratulations.
Zone 1. So we have Miss Sheila Moriñas to award the crown. And SK Kagawad Garvin for the sash and flap. And SK Kagawad Mary Rose for the bouquet and clutch. Congratulations to all winners!
Okay, so before po tayo kanya-kanyang photo op, mag-photo op muna sana atin yung winners natin. Ano, partner?
Okay po.
So yung winners po natin, may photo op muna kayo.
Yung top 5 po natin.
Top
yung
5?
winners,
Top 5 po natin, calling all the top 5.
Warren,
photo
Joshua,
opportunity.
dito muna po tayo.
With the judges, I think. Again, the top 5, calling po yung top 5. Photo opportunity po with the board of judges.
Ayan, nasa na po si Ezekiel.
Asa na po yung ating isang queen and the board of judges. Please join us here.
Ayan, ladies and gentlemen.
Presenting your Barako Magayon 2025 queens. Dyan, stay lang po kayo dyan kasi magkaka-photo opportunity with judges. Okay? Once again to the Board of Judges, mamaya na po kayo umalis.